Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and today I'm going to talk about a desktop application which is called CivilStream, and what it does is it ingests the different file formats like CSV, TXT or XML, in short all the survey data which is raw data, and we can create instantly the surface out of it. Okay, and we'll see how it works with cursor tracking, and we also check the vertical profile when we draw a 2D elevation of this particular surface. Now let's get started. Uh, Here in data ingestion, I have a this button here which is called click to load survey data, and I'm going to select that. Once I select that, it will take me to the input data, and I have already saved some file formats here as a project data. Uh, it contains a TXT file, it also contains CSV file, then .xml file, and this is the open source data files which are there, or these are the output of the some of the proprietary softwares. But this is what is the common data format or file format we are going to work with generally in this field. So let me go ahead and select the existing ground surface XML, which is here. I'm going to select it and I'll say open. As soon as I open it, it already give me the surface like this. Okay. Let's say if I want to do create a surface from some other file format, then I'll go here and I'll say reset workspace. Again go back to data ingestion, and this time I will select a surface 1A PENZD space delimited text, and I'm going to select it and say OK or open, and see very instantly it is giving me the surface based on the data which is there. All right, now if I see here, it is giving me some heat map, or we can say elevation uh, band, and which is with respect to uh, the file which we have imported, and it gives me higher and low elevations right here. 186 is the highest elevation and 94 is the lowest elevation. And on the left hand side, if you will see here, cursor tracking, here we'll get elevation, then easting and northing of my cursor. So let's say my cursor is somewhere at here at this red portion. It will read me the elevation first, then it will read me the X and Y direction as per the data which we have ingested. Okay, so like that, if I hover over it anywhere within the surface, of course, it will give me the then this is very handy. And second thing is you can orbit it the way you like. So up, this is up, this is back, this is left, this is right, this is front, and this is down. So like that you can see this. Okay, now next thing is I want to show that if you want to uh, change the style of this, how it looks, then there is a, so we can do that also. For example, on the left hand side top, if I select this thing again, which is toggle elevation heat map, then it will give me a conceptual look. The green moon, moon landing or moon surface, it will give me, uh, and like that I can toggle between heat map and the conceptual uh, surface styles. Then one more thing is here is a wire map toggle. I select the wire map toggle, then I can see the triangulation it has done. There are thousands of triangles based on the CSV file it has done, and we can see this here. Okay, all right. Now let's go back to the heat map, and we'll toggle off the wireframe, and this is how it looks. Okay, now the next thing is we are going to use the 2D elevation profile. Okay, so once I select it, just have to pick the points on the surface the way I like. So like let's say this is the line which I have created, and I just have to double click, and at that bottom you can see that the whole profile is drawn very quickly, so like that. And if you see down, there is one slider, and this slider, when it slides, it gives you the elevation and the distance from the end, and elevation, kind of a elevation, and the stationing. So once it is this is a 0 distance, and elevation is 108.67 when I start going towards the middle, and when I'm ending it at the at the end, it is 2748.6 meters, and the elevation is 144. Like that, within this profile, I can check any elevation at any distance. So this is very handy when it comes to checking the elevation of this particular thing. Now, not only this, this slider is synchronized with the this alignment also. If you see the glowing bubble here, one yellow bubble you can see, and when I move it, when I move the slider, that's with the slider, this vertical bubble also moving, and it is giving me the exact position where I want to check the elevation or a distance. Let's say I want to check a distance at maybe let's say 1400 meters roughly. So this is roughly 1400 meters. Okay, and this is that spot here. Okay, this is that spot, and that spot is giving me around 133.16, and we can check this in my cursor tracking also, like just near this bubble. If I hover over here, in the cursor it is showing me 132.97, and here in my vertical profile it's showing me 133.16, so it is kind of matching. All right, so this is the one way of analyzing this surface, and we can see it in the plan as well as in the uh, profile element. Okay, all right, so this is for this particular uh, episode, and we'll see some more features of this in the next video, and we'll come back again. Okay, all right, thanks for watching, and also I'm requesting you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.